Ko te wairua te tākoe akaratu nei e te anganga a te kōrero te Ōrau e rawa nei. Ko iauhi ko te atuianga i tō tātou i te tangata. Ki tā rātou peo, ki tō rātou inua, ki tō rātou moana, ki tō rātou reo, ki tō rātou iti tangata. Ei rāwenga i te akaiti meanga i te ao mana tā pōurua tā tātou e ki te nei. Ko reira mea pūpinga tia. Kakapea rā tātou i te tau i areanga i te areanga manako. I rina ki o, nā roto i te ao program, nā roto i te API, no reira o i te atuianga ki te tango i anga i amui. Nā roto i te atuianga i tō tātou i te tangata, ki tā rātou peo, ki tō rātou reo, atuianga i rātou ki tō rātou ao nātura. Ka riro te reira i te akamātutu i te reira o rānga Māori no tātou. Ko te anga te a te kōrero te Ōrau e rawani i te tuatau.
Ki a inoro ki a mārama te tātātou anō, ki api ia. Te pou o neo tō rātou turunga ki ro te peo te nea, o te mea te kitakore ne rātou e atikia tō rātou tikaanga ki runga te inu. Ka inore e tātou ki api, ki tūtua mai rātou tō rātou tikaanga. Ke huihui mai e a tō rātou tikaanga ki te inua.
Tā mātou e umumu nei koe o kia rauka ia mātou i te tanu te tua iwi katoto ki te utu. Kia kaurako o mai i te kai tupuna nā tō tātou i te tangata. Irinaki tika e mātou e mea hō i e tātou, me tū i e tātou i te manamanta a te ao tuatau ki mua o te e te kai te ka tauturu mai e tātou, o te e te kai te ka kaura mai tō tātou i te tangata.
And that comes with learning who they are, where they come from, what resources, what is their mountain, what is their water source, what are they connected to, their natural environment. Help them grow in their appreciation of what they can do to help make this place greater.
In Kōrero te Ōrau, we are just taking little steps, just baby steps. But those steps are actually huge steps for some families.
From there, we decided we're going to keep this going. This is great. This is really important. This is, without realizing it, the way to educate the next generation about who they are. Just immersing our children in that and helping them to understand why it's important and who they are.
Me ki te tātou anō e te au akonoanga tau. Ki rawe e girunga tō tātou enua. E ako ka ariro tiria i te hamatutu tō rātou tūronga i te akono i tō tātou enua, no te tuatou kuma. Aru ki oko te enua e rakato tō tātou tuanga moana. No rea te wairua, te moemoea a te kōrero te Ōrau, o tano mi te kitire.
Being part of Kōrero has given me the opportunity to give back in some small way to our youth, because there's this gap, or one generation that knows everything about the culture, and then there's my generation there seems to be that gap there. So when I joined Kōrero, the three things that appeal to me the most is the environment, culture, and the youth. And I think the three of them are intertwined. So it teaches them how to respect the environment, how to respect the people, and try to understand the culture some more.
With a spiritual background, I introduced that to our leaders if we can bring that in, because it's very important in our culture. We now have a holistic approach to help our youth today.
One thing that I really want to look forward to in our next holiday program is more of the spoken language, so that children understand a little bit more. It is so cool, it is so amazing, it is so worthy, it's so brilliant if you can speak your own language.
All we want to do is be the mechanism for change. Whoever gets credit for it, I don't care. It's the change that's the important part.
I roto I te amato program, kua toru a mātou tamariki kua ere takare ki te api I tuatoru. No te rawhianga I te anga mi tā mātou e rawhine I te tuatoru, koe te tūranga o te aorangi, te ao nātura. Ko tia tā mātou e ākarane te kāriro, I pōpinga no te apai atu I te anga te kōrero ki mua. Me rauka I a mātou I te oronga I te manako, I te wairua, ki tā tātou anō, nā roto I te au program, tā mātou e rawhine, tā te kōrero te Ōrau e rawhine. irina ki mātou e kua teria e mātou, me kore kua rauka e mātou. Te taituanga o tā mātou e umu nei no tō tātou ititanga.
A lot of people have put a lot of time and a lot of energy into this place. And as you take care of it, you can feel their energy, you can feel their desire to have something for us to live for. And I think that's the reason that we do what we do.
I hope in my time that I'm here on this planet that as long as I can continue to give my all and my energy and my passion to growing these ideals, then maybe I would have done a bit of what I was supposed to do while I'm here.
I noro te kua tue, le rawe nei te mema o te tuanga I te aongang, no te mea e aha inanga roto rato kia tuku, te tamano koang, e akarei ake ko yoku te atuanga I tō tātou ititanga, ki tō rato ao nāturo, ki tā rato peo. So I te atianga nei te roko nei ahu I te oronga atu tāku aku mi te kianga ki teo mema e teo tangata te irinaki I te wairua, I te anganga te kōrero e rawe nei. No te oronga o mai toko tau tuato I te tauturu, I te anganga. Te o mitua, ko koutou te oronga o mai tā koutou tamariki, kia nāroto I te iau program. Ko te irinaki anga I koni, e ka riro mai te rira, e mei teki no rātou, no tātou, tō tātou ao nātura, no te ukiki mua.